Hi everyone, Dan Latrella here in Shelton, Connecticut at Latrella Lending Group. A great question I get is, when do I lock and am I locked? Now, that's a great question. When do I lock a loan? Now, the difference between a broker and a bank is the day you walk into a bank and sign the application, you're locked in. Now, that sometimes can be beneficial, but sometimes, which is most of the time, it's not. Because you might walk into a branch on Thursday and their rate, let's pretend, is 4.5%. Now, what happens if Friday or Monday rates get better? What do? You're already locked in, so they're not going to redo your loan. By dealing with a broker, we deal with 30 banks. We have many options for you. Also, our office, we follow the market. We don't follow the 10-year bond like a lot of people in our business. We follow the economy and what's going on. And how we do this is we follow the economic calendar to see what's coming out, which is going to affect rates in the better or worse. So when do you lock in a rate? When we tell you to. We are experts in what we do. We've been in the business a long time. We know when the best time is to lock and when it's not. And now by dealing with 30 banks I might lock you in on Friday because I think it's a good time. But if rates drop on Tuesday, I'm going to send you to one of my other lenders at no cost to make sure I get you the best rate and keep you as a happy client. Thanks again for watching. Go to www.llgsite.com to watch the rest of our educational videos.
Hey, and by the way, become a fan of ours on Facebook, enter a drawing, and you could possibly win a $100 gas card.